Hey guys, this is Johnny of D2 Detailing, located here in Branson, West Missouri. Wanted to share with you this 2020 Taiga ZX. Owner brought it to us. Like most folks, they struggle with hard water spots and maintaining the boat and making it look awesome. So what we did is we did a full decontamination process where we get all the water spots and the scum and all the stuff that's been built up with the different sprays that folks use off the shelf and things that don't work and just build up. And then we did a gel coat correction. And basically what that is we cut and polished everything on this boat before prepping it and installing our long-term protective coating. We use here a marine grade specific protective coating. There's a lot of coatings on the market, you know, that are out there, but a lot of them are designed for paint and vehicles, things of that nature. What keeps people coming back to us is two reasons. One, the prep work that we do before the coating, and that is our correction. That's what gives you that gloss, that deep, rich color, and then the cherry on top is the coating. It just gives it an insane amount of gloss, so the boat looks absolutely phenomenal. The best part is it's going to be low maintenance for the owner. We give everybody a free product that they use. They don't have to go buy sprays, things of that nature that they don't know if what they're using is right. That's a lot of them just build up over time and they just don't work. So we make it look awesome. We make it simple. We keep it easy to clean. We've got a couple different marine grade coatings that we feel are the best on the market. We've tested everything out there. We've been doing this a long time. All of our work is 100% guaranteed. We have none of that fine print warranty stuff that doesn't work, or a coating that's really designed for paint that's used on boats. Everything that we do here for marine is marine grade. Our correction process is extremely thorough. As you can see, the boat just looks absolutely phenomenal. Everything on the exterior above and below the rub row is coated. The tower, the speakers, the glass, the frames, everything is protected. And then as well, on the inside, all of the upholstery, all of the hard surfaces, everything of course was properly cleaned, prepped, and fully coated. So this boat has the maximum protection available. It looks phenomenal. It's going to be low maintenance for the customer, their family, give them more time on the water. So if you got any questions about getting your boat coated, please give us a call at 417-313-3147.